G'day, Stu here from your... That battery charger, oh my goodness. G'day, Stu here from UAV Futures, and today, well, what we're going to be talking about, something I'm really passionate about. You know, on UAV Futures, it's all about getting people into the hobby, you know, no matter whether they're old or young or where they're from, their financial circumstance. I want to help get them flying, experiencing just how amazing FPV is, getting out with their friends, meeting new pilots. You know, that's exactly what UAV Futures is all about. And today, well, I'm really happy to announce that we're going to be starting a Discord server, so like a worldwide community for FPV drone pilots. It's super easy to sign up to. I'm going to show you that in a little bit, and it's all free, all that sort of stuff. But essentially what it is, you know, I know there's some other places online, so there might be like RC groups, which can be really hard to track down and find out exactly what you're talking about. There's Facebook groups, and I know in the past I've seen some really, I guess, for lack of a better word, some of the Facebook groups can be a little bit, I think one of the words people use is like toxic or a bit aggressive or a bit elitist or all that sort of stuff. That's not what this is. What I sort of want to make is a community where it's just about helping people, sharing the positive moments, sharing FPV, and having a good time and connecting with FPV pilots out there. Now, essentially, my favorite part about this is what it is. It's like a giant chat room. You can jump in, you can do some things on voice chat like, look, I'm having trouble connecting my ESCs up or anything like that. Can anybody help me? Someone else in the community can reply, so it's not just me, even though I'll be on there all the time. We'll have our Patreon supporters on there, a whole bunch of stuff. You know, there'll be some bigger names in there as well, but someone else can jump on and say, yeah, I know how to do that. Jump over into this voice chat and then I can talk you through it. So I think it's going to be a great platform for our community to get together. I'll show you how easy it is to set up, and I can't wait to see you on there because I think it's going to be fantastic for our community and just getting people together, helping each other, and just another resource for our hobby to use. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's jump over to the computer, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. All right, let's do it.
Now, one of the great things about Discord is just how easy it is to set up. So, you know, pretty much I'm going to put these links in the description down below. We're going to click on them. That's going to take you to the Discord app. You know, you can get it for Mac, Android, iOS, or Windows, whatever you want to get it for. And once you've downloaded that, all you've got to do is click on this link, and then this is where the magic starts to happen. So what that's going to do, that's going to open you up to a page that's going to look something like this. Alrighty, so essentially once we open this up, and sorry if I do sound like a robot, that's my OBS recording software right there, but we're in right here. This is Discord. This is what it looks like. We're in the UAV Futures worldwide community server, and this is such an easy thing to use. It might look a little bit daunting, but trust me, it takes about 2 minutes to get set up, and I'm going to show you right now in like 20 seconds how easy it is to get your head around it. And essentially what I want this to be, this is a place where we can share our passion for FPV, get some help, get some other pilots flying. I mean, like on the spot, right then and there. No more making posts on RC groups or anything like that where you have to wait for someone to reply, wondering who's going to see it. We should have a whole big family, a whole big community on here, online, ready for on-the-spot help and just sharing our passion about this hobby. Now, if you're the sort of person, you can see I was, you know, doing some tests here with some other people online, some of the people I fly with. Trev was typing out a few little swear words and that sort of stuff, but essentially what we've got here, if you're the sort of person who likes to, you know, type away, you might just want to ask some help over the keyboard. You've got all these different channels here, so, you know, general FPV chat, you might want some help, or new pilots, all that sort of stuff. I've got my Patreon only channel. You can see it down here, this is sort of like a locked crew channel where I was doing some testing, we're talking about some motors, all that sort of stuff. But my favorite part of this, let's go back to general chat. My favorite part about this, you know, you can say something like, you know, I'm having trouble with my motors. You could be typing this out. I'm not sure what's going on with my motor timing or something like that. You can type that out here. So can someone, you know, pretend I've typed, can someone help me with my motors? And then you say, join me in Helpline 1 or Helpline 2. You jump over here. This is where our voice channels are. You click on one of those and then boom, we're connected. So now anyone else who jumps into the helpline, they can be talking you through it right there on the spot. You don't have to wait anymore. You can get some help from experienced pilots or just people who, you know, want to help you get up and get flying. And that's all about what UAV Futures is. It's about sharing the passion, getting people airborne. So I love Discord because it means right then and there, it's going to let us easily connect with people all over the world and help more and more pilots get flying. Now look, there's a couple of helplines, you know, some other things, you know, that I'm going to do, some Patreon only voice chat. If you just want to generally talk about FPV, that's how easy it is to change like your voice channel as well. I just clicked on that and now I can talk in here, and it doesn't have to even be one-on-one. You know, you can have groups in here, all that sort of stuff, and I'll be adding more channels as this thing grows, all that sort of stuff. But that's why I love it, because, and don't forget to click this little disconnect button as well once you finish talking. But that's why I love it, because it is so easy. You guys have just had a crash course on it. It took about 2 minutes, and now you know how to use Discord, you know how to ask for help, you know how to help other people, and we can just have our own place on the net, that's right then and there, instantaneous, to share things and share our passion about FPV. Anyway, what we're going to do now, we're going to jump over. I'm going to show you a demo of, when I was sort of doing some stuff with Grumpy Trev and show you just how easy it is to talk on this voice chat, show you one of those situations. And I think some of the other boys jumped in as well that were making some jokes and not making this recording very easy, but we'll do some stuff with that. But before I do, I just want to reiterate, if you're new to the hobby or you want to connect with some other pilots or you just, an FPV nut, join this server. It's so easy to do. It takes like 2 minutes to get set up, and it's a really, really positive place. I know there's some different places on the net, but this is all about a really positive place to share our passion about FPV. Anyway, let's jump over and see the shenanigans with Grumpy Trev and see what he thought about Discord. So let's cut to that footage in 3, 2, 1. Whoop. Oh, one other thing too, we've got to share this with as many pilots as we can. So if you want to invite more people, more of your friends to Discord, more of the pilots, all you got to do is click here, invite the people, copy this link, and then you'll, paste that. That's going to be the same. If I go back to my Word document, you can see that's the same there. Just share that link with them, and then they're going to be invited to the server as well. So anyway, let's jump over. Let's jump over and see how it went with Trev. Join. Oh, you're already here.
Anyway,
Oi, Trevor, what's going on, mate?
Not much. What do you want?
I thought, seeing you're like brand new to Discord, and I was talking about what I want this for a place for pilots just to get together and to be able to easily share things and sort of connect. What do you think about like how easy it is to jump in a room like that and start talking?
That's a piece of piss.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to bleep that, but yeah, for getting some help and things like that. What do you think about Discord?
I like it. It's a funny name because you're always looking for Discord to plug in. But it's got a lot of potential. It's really easy. If an old fart like me can do it, anyone can.
All right, what we should do, just to show the other people too, because I'm actually doing a live recording of this, so there you go, you're going to be on the net. But let's jump over, have a look at Helpline 2, and then we can see whatever Jono and Tom are talking about as well.
Okay, I'll click on that.
Yep.
They're by far my favorite. They're my favorite micro prop at the moment. They are.
Just FYI, you guys, we're coming in here. This is like a live recording, or not live, but I don't know, just showing people how we can jump in and out of different, I guess, helplines. So what are you talking about?
At the moment, we're talking about the micro that I'm throwing together. I just got a new micro frame today.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're just talking about the props that I've got on it. I've got those new Gemfan 2540s, the 2.5 inch ones, and
all right, well, yeah, I'm gonna wrap this part up because this whole video is about Discord. But what do you guys think about Discord and getting everybody together, and just how easy it is to get together and get some help?
It's very easy, very easy. Switching channels in between different subjects and stuff is very, very quick, and it's great.
And what about with like that link I provided and all that sort of stuff? How long do you reckon it takes to get set up and get talking?
Oh, like a couple of minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes most.
All right, thanks, guys.
It's just easy as shit. Go on, beat that out.
Stop swearing, Trevor.
Right, I'm gonna cut this bit of recording, but I'll talk to you guys later anyway. All right.
Okie
dokie, so there it is. There's, I guess, my introduction course, the Discord, just how easy it is. It takes about 2 minutes to get set up, get chatting with some other pilots and sharing things about FPV. And the beauty is, the more people who use this, the more, I guess, of a resource, a pool of knowledge we're going to have in our community to help people get flying and share our passion of FPV. And I would say, look, if you're out there and you've seen some of the other groups online, or you're not sure about forums, or you've seen some Facebook groups and you think, gee, that's not sort of the right community for me, this one, it's all about positivity. It's all about sharing the hobby, helping people. That's its main focus. I want to get people into the hobby. That's what UAV Futures is all about. So I'd say go and sign up. It's super easy. I'll see you over on Discord. I can't wait to be chatting with you guys as well a little bit more on there, a little bit more interaction, a little bit more personal as well, and I think that's going to be some great things, maybe for some Q&As in the future. It just opens up a whole bunch of different ways that I can interact with you guys and share things with the community. Anyway, enough rambling on here. I'll see you over on Discord. Subscribe for more FPV related content. Go and check out that Discord link down below, and as always, happy flying.
Jeez.
We're going to ban you from Helpline 2 because this is a cool channel. It's where all the cool kids hang out. You're not invited.
Yeah, Helpline 2. I'll rename Helpline 2 to something special just for you guys. The mega super cool Helpline 2.
Can we have another line there, like the bleep line?
You want Trevor's own personal
hotline? Yeah, bleep line.
Yeah, the bleep line.
I'll put.
That's the channel where he goes to swear.
What have you f***ing done? Yeah, no, I can fix that.
Alright, I'll put Trevor's personal DOY bleep line in there. They're gonna want that.
just call it Get Sweared At by Trevor channel.
I can fix that. Yeah.
where he just goes on and just swears at people for 5 minutes and then leaves.
Oh. All right. Well,
But it'll all be positive. I'll say to him, look, that's a fucking great job. You're not a silly after all. You're doing you're flying well. No worries. Don't give up. If I can do it, anyone can. Yeah. Well, it's positive, wasn't it?
yeah, it was very positive, Trevor. I'm going to wake my house up. My kid's asleep. Gosh. I'm laughing. I actually have tears coming out of my face. All right.
I haven't had anything to drink yet either. Wait till I get going.
Just schedule that chat room for Trev to come in, swear for 5 minutes, and leave. That's all he does. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesdays.
All right. This video's dragging on. I'm going to legit go. See you later.